In this presentation, we're introducing Kai AI Assistant, a dual-module web application designed for both end users and administrators. The first module, Kai's User Interface, is a conversational chat UI where users can interact with the AI model to request guidance or issue commands that run tasks in the background. The second module is the Control Panel, where system administrators and supervisors can monitor live chat sessions, fine-tune the AI model, and generate reports to assess functionality, performance strengths, and areas for improvement. Kai empowers users with a suite of intelligent features. On screen, you'll see each capability highlighted as it's read aloud. Natural language understanding. Detects intent in both conversational queries, "How do I?" and imperative commands, "Please add a new connection." Multimodal input. Accepts text entry or voice input via built-in speech-to-text. Instant response. Generates answers in real time, displayed in the chat pane. Text-to-speech output. Reads responses aloud for an accessible, hands-free experience. Quick action suggestions. Offers pre-built chips for common questions to accelerate workflows. Contextual follow-up. Maintains conversation history to handle clarifications and multi-step tasks. Imperative command forms. Auto-launches parameterized forms in the chat UI when a command requires extra details. API integration and execution. Translates approved commands into background API calls on connected third-party apps. The user types a question into the message Kai input field and presses enter. Kai instantly processes the request, displays the response in the chat window, and reads it aloud via the built-in text-to-speech feature, providing both visual and audible feedback. Alternatively, the user clicks the microphone icon and speaks their question. Kai converts speech to text, interprets the intent, and then presents the answer in the chat window while simultaneously voicing it back to the user, ensuring a hands-free experience. Next, the user enters an imperative instruction, "Please add a new connection for me." Kai's intent engine recognizes the command and automatically opens an action form centered in the chat interface. A prompt appears, requesting the necessary connection details. Voiceover. Detecting a request to add a new connection, please provide the connection details to proceed. The user asks another question. This time, Kai has no ready answer and displays a message like, "I'm sorry, I don't have that information." The voiceover explains, when Kai encounters an unknown query, control seamlessly shifts to the administration panel for data supervision. In the control panel, the narrator says, "Here in supervised data entry, administrators review the user's question and create a new data entry to cover the missing topic." The screen shows the admin adding relevant information and publishing it. Once published, the AI model is automatically updated with this new knowledge. The user retypes the same question, and now Kai confidently provides the correct answer, demonstrating the power of real-time model tuning.
In the control panel, administrators gain deep insights and controls. Observe each tool appear on screen as we describe its function. Live session monitoring. View active chat sessions and transcripts in real time. On-demand data supervision. Create or update knowledge entries when Kai encounters unknown queries. Model fine-tuning. Adjust parameters or retrain on newly published data without downtime. Knowledge base management. Review, edit, and publish content that extends Kai's domain expertise. Usage analytics and reporting. Generate dashboards on query volume, common intents, success rates, and performance gaps. Role-based access control. Assign permissions to admins, supervisors, and managers for secure operations. Amove MCP server, AI agent integration layer. The Amove MCP server is a unified AI integration layer that exposes Amove's full suite of cloud management capabilities, such as listing buckets, copying objects, and monitoring transfers via the Model Context Protocol. It provides a consistent, schema-driven API surface over AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, S3-compatible services, Wasabi, Backblaze, etc., so that any AI agent or chatbot can invoke cloud operations without needing provider-specific SDKs or deep platform knowledge. Secure authentication, event webhooks, and extensible command catalogs make it easy to plug MCP into custom LLMs, RPA bots, or other automation tools. Service exposure via MCP protocol. Uniform API surface that abstracts AWS, Azure, GCP, S3, Wasabi, Backblaze, etc. Secure authentication and access control. OAuth-style flows and token validation guard every request. AI-driven cloud operations. Agents can issue commands, list buckets, copy file, monitor folder changes over MCP. Schema-driven command and data models. Auto-generated JSON schemas ensure agents supply exactly the right parameters. Plug-and-play agent integration. Minimal setup. Point your AI model at the MCP endpoint, supply credentials, and you're live. Event and webhook support. Push notifications for file events, transfer completions, and error alerts. Monitoring and observability. Built-in metrics on call latency, error rates, and throughput, viewable in your APM. Extensible command catalog. Add custom operations or domain-specific workflows that agents can discover at runtime.